Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at a brand new soap at our store, Hendrix Classics. Hendrix Classics is founded by Mr. Pete Hendrix out of Nashville, Tennessee, and they feature a line of top shelf artisan soaps and splashes made with you, the discerning wet shaver, in mind. They try to bring to the table some really interesting packaging, labels, names, but also really high-end ingredients. They feature cocoa butter, and illip butter, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And so they've really tried to up the game and differentiate themselves within the market, because the market is getting bigger and bigger and more people. Mr. Pete Hendrix started off as a user himself. I guess he's been into straight razors and wanted to basically come into the world as a wet shaver and not just a business person trying to make a dime. So I do respect that. All of Hendrix Classic soaps are made with a top shelf base and generate a luxurious creamy lather with cushion and slickness. The most prominent ingredients are cocoa butter, kokum butter, and illip butter. Illip butter comes from the nut of a Southeast Asian tree and moisturizes chronically dry skin. It is high in vitamins A and E. These premium ingredients cost more, but Hendrix believes that their customers deserve the best. Badass. Badass is an awesome masculine scent. Deep oak moss and white cedarwood with a squeeze of citrus. Havana Breeze. Stick your head into a humidor and take a big whiff of Havana Breeze. This scent is dedicated to Hendrix's beloved friend, Julio, who passed away recently. He worked in the cigar industry and was a fellow shaving enthusiast. Italian Plum. The woman in your life will love this dark fruit fragrance. This is a classy and elegant scent, perfect for a date night. Relax with a glass of fine wine, hints of citrus zest, sandalwood, and winter orchid combined with plum to create an unforgettable evening. Ladies' Man smells like it should be a member of the aquatic fragrances from Polo. Similar to Polo Blue, oceanic, aquatic, and fresh, spicy, green, musky, herbal, fresh, and woody citrus notes. Miami Nights. A collaboration from Hendrix with Rich Man Shaving, this scent has a lot going on. Top notes of invigorating lemon, chinado rosemary, geranium, rose, and middle notes of patchouli, oak moss, and mandarin orange, including black pepper. Base notes of vanilla, tonka bean, and Texas cedarwood and sandalwood. Well, that's all I got today on Hendrix Classics. I'm going to have to bring it back to the shave den here and give it a shave and do a demo with you guys and really talk about it in depth, which I'm trying to work my way through all the different lines we carry in the store and do that at least once so you guys can experience it with me together. We're really happy to have this brand on our shelves, and hopefully we can continue to get other varieties and other scents from them. As they grow, we'll grow with them. Happy to carry them, and maybe they will be an addition to your shave den next. Maybe they can grace the shelves of your shave den. So give them a shot. If you haven't already heard of them, Hendrix Classics, now at Razor Emporium. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.